bagong dating. It is brake light switch. Look at that. Let's just check. Yun. Ewan ko kung ito talaga yung right thing. Hope so. 3 pin naman ba? Okay, 2 pin lang. Good. Okay, nalagay natin to. Ayan siya, 2 pins. Stay pin ang switch. It's 2 pin. Alright, lalagay natin yan. Let's get it. What's up guys? Good morning. So kakauwi lang natin galing office. Kakampitan natin to. So this is how you change your brake light switch. And I'll be showing you if palitin na yung ganito nyo. If it's already worn out or it's already good for replacement. So ito. First, let's try to open the car up. I think it's open. Nope. Alright. Okay. Let's put that here. Okay. So, what we are going to do is saan ang brake light switch dito? Electronic parts? No. Stop lamp. Okay. Let's put in a 10 amp fuse to that. Okay. Alright, so medyo pain in the ass lang talaga puntahan to or palitan rather. Kulang na ako ng isa spare. Lagi pala kayo maglalagay ng spare niyan kasi you'll never know when you'll be needing it. So ito, okay. Binunod ko siya. I believe binunod ko. Ayun. There you go. This one. Oops. Let's switch sides. Switching sides like a rainbow. Binunod ko kasi pag sinaksak nyo yan agad. Tapos merong sinaksak nyo, nakasaksak yan tapos sasaksak nyo yung bagong fuse. Magi-spark pa possible na puputokin niya kaagad. Ayan o. So, even though na hindi pa ako naka-brake, nakailaw na siya. Ayan yung palitin. Even though na hindi ako naka-brake, pero nakailaw. Ayan. Ayan o. Kita nyo yung third brake light ko. Nakailaw. It's nakailaw. Right? Kahit di pa ako naka-apak sa brake. Nawawala. Okay, so tatanggalin natin yun. Alright, so epic fail. So because walang flat. Alright, epic fail kasi this is working already. Yeah, this is working already. Kaso, I think hindi siya palitin. You know why? Kasi nasira lang yung ayun, nakita niyo yan guys. This one. Oh no, di kita yung finger ko. Ito, nawala lang yung parang stopper niya dyan. Kumbaga wala nang pumipindot sa kanya. So that's why wala lang pumipindot sa kanya. Oh my god. Yun, exactly. Here's the brake pedal. Wala lang pumipindot sa kanya. And yun yung nangyayari. All there is to it. That's all there is to it. What a bummer. Guys, kung makikita nyo, I'm underneath. Oh my goodness. Pain in the ass to fix this, right? Just a simple switch. So gagawin ko, start ko muna para ma-press ko yung pedal fully. So lalayo, tapos lalagay ko to. This will be the stopper para ma-click yung switch. Let's start it. Yeah. Halos 1 week di na pa start to kasi yun yung ginagamit ko. Back and forth to work. Naka b14 tayo, car type. Alright, let's do it. Right, so ayan na. Ayan na. Right, lalagyan ko lang yung butas na yan ng cover para pag bumabalik siya mapipindot niya. Okay, let's try it. Let's give it a shot. Hindi kaya. Alright, so I managed to get it up. Medyo madumi yung ilalim ng kotse ko at pangit yung tornilyo nilalagay ko. But it will get the job done. Definitely. So look at that. So it will. Oh, it's not focusing. Alright, yan diba? So pag pinrest ko yung pedal, magdi-disengage yung parang button. Yun. Once I depress the pedal or let go for the pedal, it will push it up. So it will work. Let's try it. Whoa, pussycat. What are you doing here? Pussycat? Night smoke. Because cold start. Alright, so ayan. Let's try to press the pedal. Oops. It's lighting up. When I let go of it. Yeah! Okay, so we're all done. Let's let go of this thing. Okay. Ito, di ko na kailangan to. Alright. So, epic fail. So, this works. Kaso, okay pa pala yung nakakabit doon. So, di ko muna pinalitan. Kasi, hindi ko rin matanggal. So, ayun, I have a backup. So, whenever in the future, kailangan ko talagang palitan, I have a spare already. Easy win. Alright, so, since madali lang yung nangyari dun sa natin, brake light switch natin, ayun na naman yung pusa. Since madali lang ang nangyari, i-check din natin ang ating signal light condition. Kasi minsan nawawala eh. So, ito naman yun. Alright. Ayun. Alright. So, ito. Tinanggal ko na. Okay. So, ito. Ito yun. I believe this is it. Minsan nawawala. We're really cleaning that. Tingnan natin. Malinis naman. This is the back. Kayo lang nakakakita nito. Tingnan natin. So ano nga ba yun? Yun ay flasher switch nito. Minsan kasi pag nag-hazard ako nawawala. I don't know why. Tapos pag nag-signal light nawawala din. Kailangan ko pagalawin to. Ito yung alarm ko dati. Lost the remote though. Ayun. Ako nag-wiring yan. So ghetto. Okay lang. Okay. So natin sa nakalagay yan. Ah, okay. They bolt it in. Gawin natin to. Oops, di kaya. Alright, so ito. Tanggalin natin. Tingnan natin what is the situation. Yes. Oops. Okay. It's rough thread. Dalawa, no? Okay. Alright. As long as I'm with you. I don't want to break it though. Alright, so it's working. Kailangan natin i-ensure na hindi na siya mag-load ako. Sapakan natin na susi. On lang natin. Medyo mo napansinin yan, nag-hyperblink kasi nag-LED ako dun sa isa. Okay. Okay. Yan ito nawawala. Okay. Tingnan natin kung mag-change ng position. All well and good. Alright. All well and good. Okay. Okay. We're all fixed. Bali, ang nangyari lang sa kanya, may kumudo yung mismong relay, yung paanong relay switch. So, kinudkod ko lang nito. It's all ready to go. Balik ko lang. Okay. So let's put it back. Reverse of what we did. Balik lang natin itong 2 millimeter bolts. 2 millimeter bolts. Alright. Alright, those are rough threads. I believe so. So there's no trouble threading that up. It's just, it will be hard. Okay. Okay. Switch this to tighty. Righty tighty. Alright. Alright. Okay. 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 Alright. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Nagawa natin ang brake light. Tagal ko nang iniintay ang brake light na yan. Nakapag-engine swap na lahat-lahat. Pero hindi pa rin nagagawa. Pero at least now, it's okay. Tapos, we managed to fix our erratic signal light. Alright, awesome. Minsan kasi pag nagpa-park ako sa office, tas kakaliwa ako. Ganyan, kakaliwa ako ng ganyan. Minsan wala. Kaya ayun. Nakakahiya, no? Nawawala-wala. Ayun, at least we managed to make it happen. And nasingit natin sa limited time natin kasi we're working on a BPO industry. So yun. Nothing much. It's just that update and simple fix by DCWORKS. Akala ko magpapalit pa tayo nito, pero hindi na pala. Good thing, cheap and easy fix lang. Wala nga tayong pinalitan, nagtornilyo lang tayo and all, and we're good to go. Alright, so yun, without further ado, I'm not gonna take much of your time. Always maintain your car, always love your car. See you in the next vlog, guys. Happy Halloween. Bye.